Christine from Pack Hacker. In this video, we're taking a look at the Cotopaxi Coraza carry-on, which I've been testing for 2 weeks. Let's dive in. Cotopaxi makes the Coraza in 2 sizes. This is the carry-on size, and then there is also a medium checked. Medium, no large, just medium, so whatever. But anyways, this is the carry-on size, and a note about that, it is a 1/2 inch too wide and a 1/2 inch too deep to meet the restrictions of Delta, which is one of the more permissible carry-on carriers. So keep that in mind. If you fly an airline that is going to be checking your bag all the time, they're probably going to make you gate check this, or at least it's a possibility because it's just a little bit too big. I really hate when they get just a little bit and it's not like, to me it seems like a 1/2 inch would have been easy to shave off, but I'm not a bag designer. However, this recycled polycarbonate has a nice texture and this cool ridge design. You can see the reinforced corners. It just has a really nice technical vibe. Also the ridges, and then there are feet on the side that like sort of protect it when it's standing up, and also let you set it down on the side, because there is a carry handle over here, which is really great. So when you do that, as long as you get the wheels set the way they are, you can, stand it nicely that way. We've got latches instead of buckles, and I will say these cause me more trouble than anyone else here at Pack Hacker, so they take practice. I'll talk about them a little more later, but basically the long and the short of it is I think when I try to close them, I keep on pushing the button that opens them. So it's a me problem, not a you problem, not an anybody else problem, but it's an issue, and maybe there's somebody out there that's just as clumsy as I am. The wheels, however, are really nice. They sort of remind me of roller skates instead of the roller blade types that you see on other luggage. But also with the Coraza, you get your choice of 3 colors for the exterior of the bag, and then there are 6 different wheel colors you can choose from. And then, so this is, I think, blue, azure, and flame. And then if that's not enough, you could also buy a set of different wheels, and you could mix it up and go all Punky Brewster and do all 4 different colors if you really, really wanted it colorful, which is fun. The telescoping handle is right here on the top, and it's very easy to pull up and basically falls down when you're not using it, which is really great. And then, of course, it's a Cotopaxi bag, so we do have the cute little llama logo on the front, and that's it for the outside. So this handle has 2 height adjustments, only 2, which is fewer than some others, but I think most people should be able to find a comfortable spot. This one's obviously a little too tall for me. That's the one I like. So if you are really petite, this might end up being a little tall for you, but it is what it is. I feel like it works really well whether you're rolling it over smooth surfaces or need to drag it over a little bit rougher surfaces. But basically it goes well over, we've got cobblestones out here, we've got cement, I've done it over carpet. It rolls really nicely, it turns really nicely, and it stands by itself nicely at the gate, which is great because sometimes, the bags will just fall on their faces. That's usually if they are more off balance, if they have like a front pocket. Obviously this hard side luggage has no exterior pockets, so you don't have that problem. It's just gonna stand really nicely. You can even use it as a footrest if you wanted. So if you are finding this video helpful, go ahead and click like and subscribe so we can keep bringing you content like this to help you travel smarter. And now you get to watch me try to open the latches. Actually, again, opening is not the issue, it's closing. The opening is pretty easy. Obviously, you can set a combination if you wish to keep other people out of it, but TSA can always get in. That's great. You just push these buttons, and it pops like that, and then you open it up, and you will see what else is different about this roller is that it does not have like an actual lining. It's just the hard polycarbonate inside. Instead, what they have, they call them modular liners. They're basically two very big packing cubes, but you can take them out and you can wash them. Like if you get them dirty, you can just wash them and air dry them. They're made with polyester, and I'm almost positive it's recycled polyester. I can't find it really quick in my notes, sorry. They have a little handle here, which is fun, so you can carry them, and then they undo with these tiny little Woojin buckles, the most tiny little buckles I've ever seen, on these straps, and then they just go into these little corners here, which is really cool. So you can pull them completely out if you want to, and either not use them or wash them or move them out of the way, because they're also a great spot to store like shoes underneath it. Like I've got shoes, I've got a set of replacement wheels here, and now you can sort of see what you're dealing with on the inside, and then you could just carry this anywhere you want. Now I basically used them as very large packing cubes. I didn't use other organization with them, but you really could put other packing cubes in them if you wanted more organization. The zippers work really nicely and they're easy to open. You've got the mesh lid so you can kind of see what's inside, which is nice. And then I do like the large cord and the fact that you can open them anywhere along the track, because then you don't have to like completely open, completely close. But you fit a lot of gear in here. I don't have either one of them very stuffed, but I've got a couple of pairs of jeans and a sweatshirt here. And I'll just pull it out so you can kind of see what you're dealing with. So it's just a very large open space, and then it allows it to sort of flex around. Now, should you not want to use that, you could, but then there's no like tie down straps or anything like that. So you'd almost have to like pack a pile of packing cubes on this side. This is the back. So this side you're dealing more with the handle channels. I'll show you that too. So you're dealing with that. So you would have to pack around that, but you'd have to like sort of pile everything up and then flip this over the top. So I found it easier to just use these. You could also, frankly, not pack them, pack everything underneath them and use them as sort of compression panels themselves. Either way, it's a different approach to packing than we see in other bags, and you know, Cotopaxi is all about being unique, and this is unique. I like it. I will say, like, in moving things around, I've got, you know, shorts and socks and shirts. I think I've got like 5 t-shirts and a swimsuit and long sleeve and socks and a couple pairs of shorts. I have to say, like, things don't stay as neat and tidy. They get a little jumbled around. But if that really bothers you, just use other packing cubes inside. That's really what it comes down to. There is this little part here. Can you see? There's a QR code and you can scan it, and that's how you can find out how to replace the wheels, how to order replacement wheels, how to order replacement latches. You can order replacement latches if you need. And then anything else about like how to like clean it and whatever, you wipe it clean. These can go in the washer or hand wash. But you can see the way I had it packed, you can then layer things on top of or underneath. And so it does provide organization, just not in the way that you might be used to on other bags. So if you're looking for something different and you want to stand out from the crowd with, you know, different colors, this is definitely a great option. And I found it easy to get used to the organization. You just have to decide if this is the way that you want to pack for your next trip. So there you have it, the Cotopaxi Coraza carry-on. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. We'll see you in the next one.